Arigato gozaimashita. Happy wedding,
Tita Ai,
Tita Ai,
and Tito Ronel.
Tito Renel. Again?
Happy wedding day. Congratulations.
I'm so happy for both of you, and congratulations. Remember that love isn't just a feeling, it's a choice that you make every single day. Keep choosing each other through highs and lows and difficulties. Remember to keep choosing and fight for each other. That's all. Bye-bye. Congratulations.
Congratulations, Tito Ronel and Tita Ira, for your wedding. We pray that your marriage will last a lifetime. And we pray and we hope that kahit anong mangyari ay magkasama pa rin kayo. We pray na God bless you with a very good family and
More babies!
and we pray na God will guide you as you grow your family, and we pray for stable sources of income, that you will be in just one country. Okay?
Yes. No more LDR.
No more LDR. We pray that magkita tayo sa Korea or somewhere or sa Canada. But all the best for your married life.
Okay, next year.
And we are proud of you, both of you, kasi kahit na mabilis lang yung plano na nagawa niyo yung wedding niyo. God bless you always, and we love you both.
We love you. Congratulations.
Congratulations. Bye.
Ako, flying kiss na ako.
Flying kiss.
Oh, beautiful eyes.
Wow.
Ang haba
Bye.
mo. Congratulations.
Congratulations. Congratulations. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Kiss na. Kiss, kiss. Mwah, mwah.
I and Ronel, congratulations on your wedding day.
We pray that you have a blessed and fruitful marriage.
We really wish we're there to celebrate it with you, but please know that we are praying for you and we are thinking of you. Greetings all the way from Alaska, from all of us, the whole family.
God bless you guys.
God bless.